Screen. Does everyone see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, good morning, first grade. This is our wildfire presentation by Ayana, Kaylee, Ayla, Harry, and Lauren.
Whoa. Reminder, if you ever witness a wildfire, be sure to report it immediately to 911.
What is the issue? The issue with wildfires is that many forests are burning down. This puts many plants, animals, and even humans at risk. Extreme smoke from this is costing many species their lives. Wildfires also cause flooding, landslides, and pollute the air that we breathe.
Does anyone know what pollute means? If you do, you can raise your hand and you feel free to answer.
It looks like Camille. What does it mean to pollute?
To pollute means like take clean air and turn it dirty.
Good
And that's
job.
not good for your lungs.
Good job, that's correct. Why is this a problem? Well, wildfires are definitely not a solution. They have dangerous smoke and are uncontrollable. They leave many animals and humans homeless and hurt. Global warming causes wildfires to become more common.
So this is a picture of wildfires, and a picture is worth thousands of words.
So the solution is wildfires are destroying the world tree by tree. So what can we do to stop it?
To prevent wildfires, we could do very simple things. A, don't leave a fire unattended. B, never play with fire/matches. C, you can put out fire with sand, dirt, or water. D, make sure the fire is completely put out before leaving the site. And E, fill big containers, for example, pools, trash cans, etc., with water so helicopters can have easy access to water when trying to put out the wildfires.
Picture always help you see the bigger picture. Images of real deforestation and the aftermath.
6.2 million people can be harmed in a forest fire. 1 billion animals are harmed in forest fires. And 1.8 kilometers is the distance a forest fire can travel in 1 hour.
So this is a map of some of the wildfires around the world. Oh, sorry. Warm, this is the yellow. This is more delicate fires. Hot is brown. These are more extreme fires, and burnt are red. And these are some of the worst fires that have ever been recorded.
So this is a map of the amount of trees that it has burnt down, and in each country from the past 12 months.
All right, so next we're going to look at some photos and statistics.
This is the percentage of wildfires over the years. So as you can see, in 1993, it's only 30%, and it gradually gets bigger. So in 2000, it's 45%, 2017, it's 60%, and 2020, it was 90%, which is a lot.
Fire pollution. All that smoke in the picture is pollution caused by forest fires. As you can see that the smoke is building up and it's turning even darker.
So this is a picture of animals after a forest fire, and most animals don't get out, and many die before authorities can help them.
Help save these small creatures. by doing all the things that we said to prevent wildfires.
How are you going to stop wildfires? Are you going to pick up a flammable trash in your neighborhood? Stop littering on the streets? Spread awareness about wildfires? Volunteer at Red Cross to give back to those who lost their homes? Inform yourself and others about wildfires. And the link below is ways you can help with wildfires.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do any of you have any questions? Yes, Enver?
What causes wildfires?
A lot of things cause wildfires, but do any of you know what global warming is? If you do, that's one of the reasons why wildfires have been more active during this past 2 years.
And for those of you who don't know what global warming is, it's basically when like the earth is getting warmer and warmer, which is hurting forests and people and basically everything. Camille, do you have a question?
How many people can lose their life? How many living beings can lose their life in a forest fire?
Well, it can depend. So like in the California fire, almost like, was it 70? No, it was like 70,000 to 10,000 people. So
Nathaniel, do you have a question?
How many animals died?
A lot of animals are hurt. There isn't an exact amount how many have died, but about 1 billion animals have been harmed. So that's more than a million, a lot more than a million.
I wish I don't be like them.
Yeah, that's why we need to protect our earth and we need to stop pollution in our world so we can.
I don't want the earth to be burned.
Yeah, that's a good mindset.
yeah, so we could keep breathing oxygen.
Carlene, do you have a question?
Yes. Why do wildfires happen?
As we said, global warming plays a big part in why they happen, but also fires can spread more easily if there's like stuff on the ground and like trash on the ground. So that's another reason why they're really big and they're really dangerous and why they happen.
I would want to be a judge because this was my whole entire dream. I tell to my parents. I would want to clean up the whole world.
That's very good. You're helping your community out in the world.
All right, first grade, we'll take one more question. Does anybody else want to ask one more question? Okay, well, thank you so much, Green Team. We learned so much. And if any of our first graders have any more questions, I'll make sure to show them that link that you had in your really awesome presentation.
Okay, I'll send it to you an email.
Okay, wonderful. I appreciate that.
Thank you for having us.
You're very
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
Have a good
you. Have a good
day.
day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.